Good morning. We are doing a 2016, 2014, and 2011 break. It's going to be part one of a two-part break. So if you sign up for teams, you will have the same teams in the next break. We got a couple leftover teams, so I ended up getting a couple of leftover teams. One more email. But here are your teams as it reads currently. J-Wags, 49ers, Bucks, Chiefs. I have a ton of teams. Derek, Steelers, Chargers, Packers, Jags, Cardinals, Browns. Josh, Vikings, Patriots. Ishan, Saints, Raiders, Rams, Titans. Matt has the Eagles and Seahawks. Tyler has the Dolphins. Ryan has the Giants. And Jesse has the Bears. A lot of guys joining us for the first time, so hopefully we can get something nice for you. I'm going to save this guy for last, the 2016. It is a beautiful box, has some really nice stuff in it. I'm going to start with the 2011 box, just because it is going to be the box I don't open all of. I'm going to open a few things in it and save a couple things for next break. Try to get, there's a whole series of stuff that's in this box. It has a Sweet Spot tin, a QBC materials pack, 2 autographs, 1 game use card, 1 hat hobby football pack, and a bonus item. So the bonus item is usually like something silly for a team. I'm hoping we get a team that one of our guys actually likes and not just a team somebody got for an extra. Okay, that is a glued piece. Nice. Derek's gonna love that. Old Steelers guy. Got the helmet on. That's your extra item. He doesn't really sit too good, not gonna lie. But sweet for the Steelers. That's not gonna be considered a hit, but everything else will be. That is cool. Derek's on vacay, but he'll like that. Okay, I'm going to leave the QB materials pack and the Sweet Spot tin for next week. So, here's the QBC materials pack. That I will save for next week. Sealed. We have a hobby pack of hot prospects, I think in 2006. We may open that or may not. Our first hit is an autograph of Corey Wooten for the Bears. Rated rookie Corey Wooten. I don't know him, but that is going to go to Jesse and the Bears. At the end of this, there's going to be 2 giveaways at the end of both breaks. So any team that does not get a hit will be entered for those. There's obviously coming off right away. We have 2 jersey cards. And then we have at the front is going to be the Sweet Spot tin that I will also save for next week. So Sweet Spot and QB materials are going to go next week with 2 boxes of 2017, I believe, are in that. So here are 2 jersey cards, and then we'll might as well open the hobby pack as well. This is a nifty box. It's like 35 bucks. Come on, jersey cards. Huh, at least somebody I know. Lee Evans. Event worn. Oh, rookie premiere. Okay, nifty. 41 out of 50 for the Bills. Lee Evans. I think I actually have the Bills. I know Keith had them the last couple breaks. Let me make sure. Yep, I got the Bills. Lee Evans. Nifty. Cool. Haha. This little guy. He doesn't stand. I don't know why they would. Okay, you'll have to put something in front of him. Oh, he moves. Just kidding. You gotta. Still don't know if he's standing. Okay, I'll let you figure that one out. Second jersey hit. Come on, be somebody good. Oh, it's another auto. Just kidding. Oh, Damian Anderson. Damian Anderson. Yikes. Good enough, I'm going to have to look him up. Played for the NFL and the CFL. Played 4 years for the Cardinals. Got into a bad car accident. Okay, so he's going to go to the Cardinals. I end up getting the Cardinals. Oh, Derek ended up getting the Cardinals. Arizona Cardinals going to Derek. Damian Anderson. 4 years. Could be a lot worse, actually. And a hobby pack of 2016 Fleer Hot Prospects. 2006, sorry. Nifty. Lamont Jordan. Sorry, they're stuck. Lamont Jordan, Mike Williams, David Givens, Aaron Brooks for the Raiders, and Julius Jones for the Cowboys. I don't think any of those are rookies, are they? I don't know who was rookie in 2006, so. Remember Mike Williams, I think he was the one that was a Cowboy. Okay, that was a dud. Okay, so far duds. Duds along. So, let's get in 2014. The one caveat in any 2014 box is that J-Wags owns all the rights to Jimmy Garoppolo. So, if it's not just a 2014 box, any box I guess, but so if Jimmy Garoppolo comes out, it does not go to the Patriots, it goes to J-Wags. This is a retail Crown Royal box, 4 packs, you'll get 2 hits out of it. I don't know what we got going on, but let's get it going. Good luck, everybody. This is when the real fun starts. The other box is kind of fun, but we got a Colin Kaepernick base, a Telvin Smith rookie card for the Jags. Nice. Oh, that is numbered. Sorry. Numbered out of 50. Telvin Smith for the Jags. Number 14 out of 50. Take the Jags off the... Okay, we have, let me get these back on, an Ahmad Dixon safety for the Bears. Going to Jesse. Second hit, blue. Numbered out of 199. Also a rookie card. Going to Jesse and the Bears out of 199. We have a King's Court red, not numbered, Steelers. And we have a Torrey Smith for the Ravens. We have, off the back one, Jason Witten, Andre Ellington. We have a purple. A purple of Marcus Robinson for the Rams. Numbered out of 10. That's pretty low number. I don't know if I've seen a purple one out of here. Retail purple numbered out of 10 to the Rams. That's pretty cool. It's going to go to Ishan. 4 out of 10. Ishan and the Rams. Take them off the random. Okay, we then have a Pierre Desir rookie out of 99 for the Browns. Lots of numbered cards in this stuff. Out of 99 for the Browns. Going to Derek as well. Pierre Desir. Browns are Derek. Browns are Derek. Take them off the random. You're not getting any hits yet. And every single one of these teams that falls off the random, it's going to be 2 moderately big tickets given away. 15 teams only left. And then we got a red of Jason Witten and Jason Morrow. Now, it's almost always just an auto and a jersey in these, so maybe we got an auto jersey. That would be sick. I'd be super pumped for that. So, fingers crossed. Larry Fitzbase. Johnny Manziel, die cut, rookie for the Browns. Crown Jewels. We got a sick patch of Logan Thomas for the Cardinals. Trevor Riley, rookie card for the Jets. That is for a retail version out of 49. That is a cool patch, especially for a retail version. Going to the Cardinals, Derek. Whoa. Cool looking 3-colored patch. Logan Thomas, he's now a Bills tight end, but here he is as a quarterback out of 49 for the Cardinals. That's cool, man. Put the Johnny in a case. Cardinals, I believe, are already off the random because of the first guy. Crown Jewel Johnny. Nice couple hits for Derek on the last 2 teams he snagged. Now this one feels like a thick pack. Yeah, we're going to get an auto out of it. So maybe it'd be an auto jersey. Or a decoy and an auto. That's what it's looking like. Okay. No? I don't know. Joe Flacco base. We got Aaron Murray for the Chiefs. Not numbered. Get that in case for J-Ware. Michael Sam for the Cowboys rookie. Alshon Jeffrey. What is this? 1 card? Brandon Coleman. That's not a bad auto for the Saints. It looks like it's 2 cards because of how it's how the card is actually put together. I don't know if you can see it. There's actually a line through the middle because of the back shininess. That's actually a really cool looking card. I don't know if you can see it so good, but there you go. That's cool. I don't know if that's going to fit in one of these at all. Nope. Brandon Coleman auto to the Saints. Nice hit for E. Well, it's Saints. Now we got Aaron Murray for the Chiefs. Going to J-Wags. Coleman's a nice card. Chiefs going to J-Wags. Okay, now we got the Signature Series. So we got Ishan with the Brandon Coleman. I got a Lee Evans jersey. Jesse with a Corey Wooten auto and a low number to Ahmad Dixon. J-Wags with a Aaron Murray. And then Derek with Johnny Manziel, Logan Thomas sick patch, Pierre Desir, Talvin Smith, and Damian Anderson. Nice break so far for Derek. He hasn't had too many nice breaks. Hopefully we can get him another good one. Okay, so this is the money box out of this. Even out of the second half of this break, this is the money box. There are 4 autos in here. 2016 Signature Series. Some really, really nice stuff. I've seen some of these boxes pull out ridiculous things, and I've seen some of them get just almost, $3 or $4 cards. So, really big hit or miss box. Oh, opens this way. So, really good luck to everybody on this one. This one's one that could make somebody's day. I believe they're all like 120 point cards. Serena Redemption, maybe? Okay, first card is... I'm gonna cover up the rest of them so that I don't even see them. First card is Trevor Davis, wide receiver for the Packers. Rookie auto jersey. It is not numbered. That is going to Derek and the Packers, though. And maybe 100 points. Going to Derek and the Packers, Trevor Davis. Decent little card. That's the Derek stack. We're going to take the Packers off the thing. The next card is... Oh, nice one. Nice rookie. For the Falcons, Keanu Neal. That's nice. I like that card. That is a good card. I might even have the Falcons. I don't think anybody wanted them. Number 28 out of 50. Keanu Neal. Rookie auto. I think I got the Falcons. Yeah, I did. Sweet. Keanu Neal, rookie auto. I like that one. Now the next one is 250 Panini points. I do not currently. Should I do it at this break? I should probably do it. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. There's 250 Panini points of the third card in here. I'm not gonna. 250 points. I am going to. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep that, and I am going to add that to the random next week. And there will be, at the end of this break, there will now be 3 spots given away. And you will get to choose whether you want a hit ticket, which those I would say are worth around $10. Somewhere between, the card could be worth a lot more than $10. I'm going to add in some really nice cards. But also it could be worth $4 or $5. So that's kind of a more risky thing. The 250 points, some people pay stupid amounts of money for Panini points. The biggest thing you got to realize is you still have to pay for your shipping, which is kind of dumb. But in case you have some Panini points, 250 extra will get you a nicer card. So I will random that off at the end of the next one, and whoever has the first pick will get to choose either hit ticket or Panini points, and the second pick will get to choose again. Third pick will get whatever's left over. So that is how we're going to do that. And now we have the last hit, and it is James Bradberry for the Panthers. Can't say I know James Bradberry. James Bradberry for the Panthers. I ended up getting the Panthers, I think. I ended up getting the Panthers. I did. I like me a Keanu Reeves. James Bradberry, meh. Keanu Neal. Keanu Reeves. Okay, I'm going to open one more thing in this break just because I feel like we didn't get... I mean, Brandon Coleman's a nice card, but other than that, kind of disappointing. I got a few extra minutes. So let's open this QBC Materials card. Why not? We still got, for next break, even if I open the tin, next break won't be a big one, but it'll still be 2 hits, tickets, drawings from me, 250 Panini Rewards points, and a 2017 Contenders Blaster, a 2017 3 Auto Blaster. So I'll leave the 2011 Sweet Spot box as well. So we'll have 3 boxes to open and a giveaway. So here's the QB Materials. This thing's kind of cool. I'm really hoping there's some nice quarterbacks that'll be in this. There's also some guys that are not did not turn out to be huge. And I think this is all player worn. Jeez. But they're really kind of, they're graded. Or they're in case, I guess you will say. Good luck to everybody. Haha. Sick. Authentic event worn in the quarterback challenge. Warren Moon as a Chief. That's going to J-Wags. QB Series Materials authentic event worn. Tells you when though. 2801 at the quarterback challenge. Authentic event worn jersey was obtained by score. That's cool. Warren Moon. Looks older there, but it's pretty cool. That's going to J-Wags. That's pretty cool. I know your son, you said, likes Chiefs. Warren Moon. That's a good one. Put him in a plastic for you. That's actually, I mean, you can get a Peyton Manning, you can get a couple nice guys, but that is a Pretty nice card right there. Or Moon. What the hell? I got a few more minutes. Let's go with the 2001 while I'm here. Oh, might as well keep ripping. I gotta take the Chiefs off the random. The other teams were mine, so they will not be on the random. Chiefs, Kansas City Chiefs. The random's getting down to it, especially now that we're having 3. Giant. There's only 12 teams that are going to be going for 3 spots, and that's going to get cut down. There's at least 5 hits next break. Okay, well, this will be the last one of this. This is 2012 Upper Deck. It is. There's usually like 3 or 4 rookie cards and a jersey or auto. There is a sick, hugely thick card in there, which means the auto. Now, the jerseys in this are usually, I will say this, the jerseys are usually good named players. The autos are usually, can be anything, but if you get an auto of a good named player, look at how thick that card is. I don't even think I have a case. I don't think I have a case to put it in, to be honest with y'all. So who knows? If it's really good, I'll figure something out. Okay, I'll leave it on the bottom. We got a Mike Pouncey. Oh, nice. Mike Pouncey rookie. I don't know if Derek has any of those. Austin Pettis rookie. Ryan Whalen rookie. Colin McCarthy. Stephen P.A. We have a Blaine Gabbert that is turned the other way. And then I have a super thick card. So we'll reveal the super thick card. And I don't know what the Blaine Gabbert's going to be. Oh, sweet. Cameron Hayward. Boom for Derek. That's a stealer. That is a sick card. Super thick. This is just a scouting report card. It looks like the back of a card, but apparently it's a scouting report card. That is a cool Casey Hayward. I don't know if I have a case thick enough for it. I'll have to look. I don't know. I don't even know if it's gonna fit. If it's in a sleeve. But Cameron Hayward, I'm 99% sure he's a stealer. That is a really nice card. I know he is. He's been a stealer for a long time. I'm just making sure he was drafted. Steelers in the first round of the 2011 draft. That is an awesome card. Let's see what the hell that's worth. That's cool. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, I don't know if I have a case for it, man, but Cameron Hayward out of $5.99. Probably the best hit of the day. Dummy card. Okay, I'll do a quick recap, and then I'll get things packed up. J-Wags, Warren Moon, and Aaron Murray. Ishan, Marcus Robinson, and Brandon Coleman auto. I got a Keanu Neal, which I'm pretty pumped about. That's a nice card. A James Bradbury and a Lee Evans. Jesse, welcome to the breaks with Ma Dixon and Corey Wooten for the Bears. And then Derek is finally won a break. Cameron Hayward. Sick card. Blaine Gabbert rookie. Mike Pouncey rookie. A Trevor Davis rookie auto. Telvin Smith out of 50. Pierre Desir out of 99. Sweet Logan Thomas out of 49. Triple patch. A Johnny Manziel and a Damian Anderson. All those going to Derek. Okay, guys, that is going to do it for me today. I did more than I was planning on, but that's because some of them weren't so good. But hopefully next week, so we also got 250 Panini points thrown in. So next week we will do the random, and we will include 2 hit tickets and a 250 point Panini giveaway at the end for all of the hitless teams. So if you are hitless, I will go take the Steelers off of the hitless team list. They probably should have been off anyway. Sorry, this is I don't even know what to do with this card because of how thick it is. I'll figure it out, but for now it gets double plastic. Cameron Hayward. Derek also dominated. Little man. Little man. I'm glad somebody got it, because if it was like a Cardinal or something, nobody would ever do anything. That would go on Derek's desk at work. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for today. Thanks a lot.